The best birthday celebrations are still on with the best deals on the best quality and range at OK Furniture. Save on the widest selection of home essentials at the lowest prices guaranteed. View our latest catalog here and shop online or in store until the 7th of July 2024 while stock lasts. T's and C's apply. It is continued powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Perhaps the most important or the biggest story of this transfer window. Rulani Mokoena, Mamelodi Sundowns parting ways. By far the best coach in the country in terms of attacking football, in terms of a vision, in terms of a unifying idea of playing football, as opposed to his peers who just play and win if they win and lose if they lose. However, that relationship has ended. Rulani Mokoena is no longer the coach of Mamelodi Sundowns. Junior Kanye, your reaction to the story, sir?
Yes,
sir. Nice to see you.
Justice.
Chester.
Benedict Vilagazi.
So.
Ebafetu kunjani, keep on supporting iDisc TV, fighting no one, try to fix South African football. Don't forget to watch Junior Kanye fixing the game. Starting next week Thursday, 14 episode, 3 months uzobukele mina nomndeni wami page. Angeke ngisho kuningi. I'm very humble, but I thank this guy and the team behind Justice. All of them. Jason as well, thank you. And the World Sports Betting, so I'm very humble and Gulego.
Sure,
thank you, my brother Kane.
So next week, 11 July.
Prime time after 163. Klama Madvid Bawabona and the show is going to play for 3 months. Yeah.
For sure. Nice one. Good luck. Your life is about to change. It's already
Humble
changed,
fit.
but it's going to change for, it's going to be a different life.
Humble fit, yeah. Yeah, Uncle ish touching. So now we're breaking national team. So the national team has to be broken. The philosophy, the coach that has, who started with Pito to build the national team. We're breaking that away because we can't say it's Hugo Bros. Whoever was saying that is lying. Aburulani, those are young coaches that needed to be guided, get support from technical team. I know Sundowns won 1 trophy, which is league.
In the AFL, 2 trophies.
LFA, Super League.
Yeah.
And we did not just ordinary team. Pegama team wada indlela club edlala ngayo. Yes, Upito laid the foundation, one of the best ever coach. But Lamfanu take it over, bring his own players, brought his own players. But look at the philosophy, more or less the same. Hardworking, energetic. Itlap inomidliwa ushaya izandla, creating chances, combining national team, bathatha wonke ama-player wakhe wasebenzisa. Yeah, I'm a mistake kwenzile, sure. Nami nginenkinga in terms of arrogance, but it's learning. I believe South Africa it's petty diamond ngalo mfana.
For sure.
So you can't release him. Sundowns babuyela back kule away yabo le. They bring him on Skens, Tashkov, whoever.
Yeah, everyone is going to go there to steal money.
Players, abangafit na philosophy.
For sure, sign 12 players in
For
one season.
I can tell you I suspect abazo Europe. I'm very disappointed with President Bengamelanga ivumele away. At least if they were releasing him for Peter Msimane, I could understand. Coming back, but obviously situation which is not going to happen.
Yeah.
Very, very sad.
Let's talk about some of the negatives, Gorulan. We will talk about the positives. Yeah. I think there was a point where there were changes with Disc Challenge, DSTV Disc Challenge team. Last time we checked, it was Surprise Moreru, and then at some point, Upadela, and I suppose there's a relationship there. We started hearing as well, former players, they were removed or they were no longer getting the jobs that they used to get as well. Do you think that has anything to do with that?
Mistake yakayenzile Rulani. But it goes in the foundation, the way we grow. Life itself, the foundation where we last year khona kini ukhule kanjani bekafuna ukwenza konke one came there DTC coach ya change this boy Black Person, the guy, the coach came there, surprised no Manzini. Manzini was under 19, surprised there, moved, yes, under structure. Sundowns under 19 won the Asian Cup, not even a single player got promoted. And then you brought players from school. Mapena, those are good players, but if team won the Asian Cup,
if you already had under 19,
Sundowns invested a lot with development under 19 yabo, and I was Sembata, they're doing a great job there. They've got players that are ready, I believe, Bangadala would still premiership to other teams, national players, international, not national. but not why not got promoted. So kusho ukuthi bekuyi-waste development yabo. And why get rid of Isaac Shai, Nyando removed, Peter Ndlovu as well. Moving was surprise, the player that has done well as a player.
Club legend.
So Joel Masilela, I think I'm Shada. And
You think that was his decision, Urolan? It was not something Ainsworth, Sundowns, Uguti, they were changing. Do you think he had an influence in that?
yes, he had the influence. Mangabe lo mfana Black Poison uzozala blobe yakhochi Black Poison and then coach TTC, what does it tell? Yeng nigga yonke picture mina. So I love Rulani mfethu.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, it's one of the best talents ever. I think mela ilungisa into esilimazile nathi ukuthi wina amasadla ibhola. Ukuthi one ngizoba arrogant. And iyo ngikhala ngefoundation nami ngiyenza ngazi ukuthi going forward izongikhosta ngisho mina. So being arrogant, I think whenever nama interview yakhe mamameli uyambona uyamuzwa ukuthi okay sure. Umjida akaka reach leso standard se maturity ngempilo general. Balekile uzithoba nkuleko. You can achieve so many things. Umbheka uPitso izithobile. Yes, it's arrogant grounding when he plays spanning, but kusebenza nabantu nami ngibona njengoba ngine development I network with a lot of people. Abanye abantu bengicabanga ukuthi ngikhulume nabo ngikwazi ukuzithoba phambi kwabo. Irrespective ukuthi I'm doing well mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu kangiboleke kona, but humble yourself. You need everyone. So mfethu eshishaye kakhulu mfethu, even Steve Kompela let go. Yabo, those are question marks, especially when you're not sometimes my expectation, especially with Champions League. Nale cup they lose the last trophy with Pirates. Imshaye.
Okay, let's go. So Sundowns actually say ukuthi bazwile ngeruma ukuthi abantu or ama-journalist athi kunokuxabana phakathi ko-Flemingberg, technical director, no Rulani, and Sundowns on that statement ithi that's not true. And they provide some reason, but it's wishy-washy ukuthi why bemchithile. Why do you genuinely think? So we've talked about the legends. I think it's a contributing factor. Ukufaka abantu bakho, ukhipha amajita kudala khona lapho endaweni yokuspanisana namaGrotman, because you have to work with people. Why do you think exactly they got rid of him? Is it because of the Nedbank Cup and the Champions League? Do you not think 1 more, 2 more years he was going to get, especially the Champions League, because Nedbank Cup is nothing. The Champions League, especially, could they not have given him the chance to push 1 more time?
I mean, I believe it's a fluid combination.
Yeah.
The guy was doing well. Why national team has picked about 8-9 players? Now bench in Masibal 11. Why? So the guy, it means he was doing very well. Yeah, specific technical director.
You believe Uguti, there must have been a problem there?
Beginning king no Rulani Mkwena, because when Rulani was still there now, he let players about playing Jangabuzung, Rulani signed him. And
Sereno has just been released as well.
Released him. Okay, no manga beyang mdlalisa Rulani, but kept him. He know what was capable wenza. So, I fairly technical director in Sandla. Ngizoba nevar nkuleke nesandla i-technical director, but obviously ungawini kwakhe Champions League. Sundowns ngengabezwe Champions League is very important.
It's the most important trophy.
They sign abo Allende, they sign abo Ribeiro, they won Champions League. In them kawathile Rulani Mkwena. Ukungafiki na ku final nenye into bi uluze ku Pirates, especially cup lokugcina. And they spent so much imali and winning 1 trophy.
2 trophies.
Yeah, 2. I mean to say, sorry. DStv Premiership now is Super League. Sundowns, according to them, they lost.
Yazi, the problematic thing about Lama Trophy now, Uguti, if the reason, I think the reason is deeper than just Lama Trophy. Urulani almost unbeaten in the league. Mara, let's entertain the idea, Uguti, it's because of Ama Trophy. You realize ukuthi manje Sundowns is bigger ku standard se Al Ahly ukuthi whenever you don't win the Champions League bayachitha. So if Sundowns ithi it's because of trophies. Inkinga abazosifaka kuyo ukuthi the next guy who comes in is not going to win the Champions League because there's still Al Ahly, there's still Esperance, Raja Casablanca, Pagama na Yangena, so it's going to be difficult. So what they mean, if the reason is trophies, the Champions League specifically, Ushuguti, every single time they have a coach on I win the Champions League by Amshinja, that means they're going to go back to the Sundowns that was changing coaches once every 2 years, once every 3 years, with no direction, no potential for young players to come through to the first team.
The problem with them, they've got so many technical teams. Like Nkuluma Ngabantu aba influential.
Behind the scenes.
Kunabo Trot Muloto. this technical director, Sean Orbani. There's many people that reports to the president.
Yeah.
And many by doing this. Because wonke umuntu noma ukuthi bazoma-overlooka. Whoever that is going to come there is going to be overlooked. I mean, Pizzo won the league and then he went out at Sundowns. He won so many leagues, and including a star. And league trophies. He took out the best out of individual players as well. He brought the philosophy that South Africa phila ngayo namhlanje. Got released. So, the technical team, everybody funa ukuthenjwa. That's a belief of me. Ngiyayibona ukuthi njengoba usho i-coach izofika bayijudge noma ingawin Champions League nangiphithi win ama-trophy amaningi. I mean when the Sundowns dominate football for 10 years or 8 khona lapho before hamba. But baye overlook mistake angaziphi because somebody said whatever to the chairman. It's unfortunate because chairman yabe believer labo bantu. They must fix this technical team Sundowns. I think serious mele bayilungise. Le ukuthi lozo reporter. They don't need people from outside abaningi kakhulu. I mean the team is playing South African style.
Yeah, they have the best football.
Carpet and ngama department. They've signed players about suit style of play sub. So I think they must cancel and Europe whatever. Bringing so many European people this side. It's so influence in the wrong direction in football club and obviously the country will suffer. I don't care who says what the Sundowns dominate in South African football even now.
Yeah, for sure. 7 league titles.
Yes, and ngendlela abadlala ngayo nkulu abantu noma bangayiphikisa uyuko pro sakusukuthi philosophy yakhe.
No.
He just pick up whatever those players ukuthi ngena ne ground in and bona they have to play for themselves ngendlela abangayo.
Let's look at where does Sundowns go. So, statement sabo bathi uManqoba coach Manqoba Mngqithi will take care of the preseason. Mara, what they are not saying outright, Uguti is going to be the coach. In their statement, they're not saying he's going to be the coach, but Uzo Ncenga, good preseason. I think they're going overseas, good preseason as well. What do you think? Where do you think they go now? A European coach, they go back to the Sundowns that was wasting money. Sundowns that had no direction, win one thing and then not win and then win and then not win, or they might continue. What is better? Go outside or uqhubeke ngoManqoba? Yiphi engcono?
Engcono ukuthi bekumele balungise relationship with noPitso. Banemali, they could settle each other very quick.
That's not going to happen. Like
I know.
the court case, it's not. They are in court. They're just not.
I wish that could happen. Ngoba i-club that's the only coach abancede abafika la bafika khona and wakhulisa nalomfana bamambisa manje. You're gonna go to Europe because of this technical director. Angmoshe with club manje. So Pirates is gonna dominate. The way Pirates ngakhona sharp, okay, Pirates because the yibo beba challenger i-club beni ukuthi mayidlala Sundowns you know ukuthi okay bazobanika game whether by intimidating whatever come with individual plans and stuff. But now truly speaking, masikhuluma nje ivara nkuleko. Sundowns will go to Europe. So go by find. The philosophy will get messed. A lot of players will let go. Rulani was influenced to players ukuthi adlala happy nokuthi ahlale. I'm sure. Like Pitso same. So now
Do you not think Manqoba is that not a possibility?
yeah, but I don't think
What is the better devil? Uqhubeka noManqoba or you go overseas?
yeah, even Manqoba mfethu can they leave bami? Yabona uma bangaqhubeka ngoManqoba I know ukuthi is
Because it's used to everything. There.
yeah, and then the philosophy is more or less the same.
Yeah.
Is learn a lot naye from one another or Rulani naye uManqoba from Pitso as well. And from himself asase ku Arrows.
Yeah, Arrows, he won the way that he won the MTN.
And the way he's playing.
Yeah.
So the philosophy is more so. But engwaziyo before balethu uRulani phela uManqoba was a head coach. So angiboni bazobuyela kuye ngeke. The technical directors angiboni ukuthi iyom overlook uManqoba. So mfethu there was a decision that was taken before uRulani abayi coach bekuManqoba coach. So I don't think they will go back to him. Angiboni banalo believe they will go to Europe. Moshe with club. Like the club manje buyela back la bekhona nenkuleko iflop mfethu like serious. Abantu abaneqiniso understand the game kwamampela not ukuthanda. The country yaku wrong direction. Once Sundowns get broken mfethu the country yonke is the element.
Yeah. What's next for Rulani? What do you think? I would like him to take a break, actually, like take a year or two out of football, but maybe the North Africans, North Africans, they played anti-football. They were so scared that they just decided every man behind the ball. So his stock is very high in North Africa. Mara North Africa,
I wish.
they will give him money if he doesn't win something, he leaves. So he can't even build a legacy in North Africa. As long as you don't win the Champions League, you are out. As long as you lose to a rival, you are out. So hopefully he can take a break. But what do you think he should do next?
I wish he can be assistant coach ka Hugo Bros now. Umkhelele ngimbonile Khasafa kuyasho ukuthi umkhelele kunento eziningi mina ezilungisa. For a future reference for a national team. Lo muntu uyaretire manje. I think uku retirement stage ngikhuluma ngo-Hugo Bros.
Mdala.
Just assistant for ukuthi abe future abafana coach. Simple. That's the best job ukuthi ohlala lapha under structure se bafana nje. I know ukuthi kuzoba ne-influence but the influential future reference. I think the best way kulapha and then umkhelele thathe break or noma ngaba dead. But this guy aim is South African media is going to be after Hugo Bros ngoba nga return magnini. Rulani it can be a best coach la ba mix mhlambe na whoever. Lo yena zombring technical team yakhe.
Sure.
Nana nde takathathi break umchita ngoba
Yeah, I think 1 or 2 years.
yeah nana nde takathathi break
And I also do think that if it takes 2 years, whoever comes in, if Sundowns goes to the European path, it's going to be some nonsense that's going to happen. They might even call him after 2 years, babone ukuthi benze flop. And
Yeah.
maybe he would have learned his lesson in 2 years' time.
yeah or please the message yami kuye naye I'm sure he's learned go football ukuthi we need everyone.
Yeah.
It's a game of emotions. Please, you're one of the best coach, my brother, wherever you are. I don't care who says what you've learned from Peter and now the talent and natural. Because a teacher can teach a student, the student becomes something else. I would think it was but becomes something else. Really the best because of Mamnigi platform. He only could just been given a platform. So, Umchita can humble himself, Maga any opportunity. He can't be himself forever. There must be someone else. Kuna la thola ukuthi noma ukukhuluma is not going to be uzoyiqala inkulumo iqede. You need to listen to other people so that your talent can be grown by some other people as well. Urlane I'm sure ufundile ngaloko. Sengisho ukuthi noma yapi or uthatha break azi ukuthi impilo unida everyone. Nathi siyazi nokunyathela abantu amakhona but uphinde uzihambule ukuthi sorry la nginyathele khona amakhona, not by talking, by action. So urulane la khona mela again ukuthi sometimes you're going to be told you need to keep quiet and makathola abantu endaweni you can't get rid of them.
Yeah.
Just work with them. Best coaches they do that. Ekwambeni isikhathi mhlawumbe ungakwenza 1 or 2 but the fact ukuthi bathole la those people if first preference ba prefer bona qala because mawasusa kusho ukuthi you must produce in a lifetime. You don't have to go to dent. So I think you must start a step but also ngayikhohlwa le nkulumo engiyikhulume manje.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much to Junior. Yeah, that's the biggest blockbuster story really in South African football. We didn't expect it. Sundowns waited until all the journalists get the inside scoop and then yesterday they finally confirmed it is now a poorly hidden secret that they've cut ties with their coach, one of the best coaches in South Africa. In that roster now, if you look at every team, all those 16 coaches that are there, he's by far better than them. He has an unifying understanding of football. I want to play this way, and it's going to be attacking football, and that's it. Most of the coaches, they win, they lose, they draw, and that's it. They then take the salary, and that's it. There's nothing. We learn nothing.
Yeah,
we
true.
just watch matches being drawn and won and all of that. And we are none the wiser after watching their games. It is good times, also sports betting. Thank you for watching us.